Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna get right into it and talk about winter modesty, winter tzniut. And basically, I'm gonna give you some outfit ideas and also some tips on how to stay warm. I think something that's really nice about winter is that it's easier to blend in when you dress modestly. And I touched on kind of the opposite extreme when I did my summer video. But I honestly think that one of the hardest things about dressing Tzniut in the summer, being one of the only people not wearing like tank tops and shorts, because I think in the winter everyone's wearing layers and everyone's like wearing really big jackets, so you can't see as much. So yes, just the key is dressing warmly and knowing how to do that, because I remember the first time I ever dressed tzniutly for longer than a few hours was junior year, and it was the weekend of the C-Teen International Shabbat, just something that I wanted to try. I was like, okay, how do I keep myself warm without jeans? It's definitely possible. I think the main thing is, there's actually a few main points that I want to touch on. One is that for the most part, a skirt or a dress isn't going to keep your legs warm. I think keeping your top warm is pretty intuitive for everyone, and it's kind of the same for if you dress modestly or if you don't. Whereas the legs, it's like, okay, it's like leggings or tights for the most part. There are some people that wear jeans and it looks really cute under a dress or under a skirt. I have not mastered that. I also don't have jeans that fit me, because last time I bought jeans I was in high school. But for me, I mainly wear leggings or tights. So your skirt or your dress really isn't going to keep you that warm unless it's a certain type of material, but I'm just not going to talk about that. So for the most part, it's really what you wear on your legs. So I recommend getting thick tights or fleece line tights or really good leggings. So I have leggings from Uniqlo that are amazing. They're the ultra heat ones, I think. I'm not sure, but I can link them below. I have a few pairs in black and one pair in gray. And for the most part, even when it's really cold, that's all I'll wear and I'll be fine. Sometimes if it's like really, really cold, I'll wear tights under. But for the most part, if I'm just wearing those, I am good to go. They're really comfortable. I mean, they're leggings, so they're gonna be comfortable. I also have leggings that aren't as warm from Old Navy. That's more of like a fall thing, or if it's not super cold out, then I'll wear those. So if you're looking for good places to get leggings, I recommend. I think for the winter, dressing warmly is more intuitive, and you know, you don't have to deal with that struggle of I'm wearing so much more clothes than everyone else because it's winter and everyone's wearing a lot of clothes. So I just think that's really, really nice. And maybe if you're like, I don't know when to start tzniut, maybe start in the winter, honestly. Without further ado, here are some of my outfits that I wear in the winter. I'm by no means a fashion guru or anything like that. I just wear things that are comfortable and that I think look good. If you don't like my style, that's okay, make your own. But I hope you get at least a little bit of inspiration from my outfits, and I will try to link as many things I can down below, or at least mention the websites or stores that I got my clothes from. This is one of my go-to Old Navy dresses that I talked about in my summer video. It's 3/4 sleeve. I'm not going to take this off, but this is a really great way to make it winter. So I add another layer because layers in the winter are huge, and then I'm wearing tights, but you can wear leggings, whatever you want. So it's just really nice jacket. This actually is also from Old Navy. I got it a while ago, but I really just like adding the extra layer so it's warm and it's really cute. Here is another Old Navy dress, and I paired it, I think also this is from Old Navy, with this cardigan just for the layer. It's definitely thicker than the last jacket, so it definitely keeps me warmer, and it's really cute. It has pockets. Again, I'm wearing tights, but you could wear leggings. This would be really cute with Blundstones or black booties, or I don't know. I'm not really good at shoes, so really whatever you wear in the winter. So this is a plain black dress from Mimu Maxi. It's like a staple in my closet. I got it years ago. I'm obsessed. It's still beautiful. I just wear it all the time. So as you see, I'm wearing the same green Old Navy jacket. And then I'm wearing like sweater looking tights. They're from Target. And this is just a really go-to outfit in general. But I also really like that I have like something besides black on my legs, because that just can get so repetitive. So as I said, these are from Target. They have a really awesome tight selection, and they're not this like very warm, so I actually wore them the other day. Here, by them, I meant this outfit, not these particular tights. Video I made, and it was pretty icky outside, so I wore Uniqlo ribbed gray leggings, and it looks really nice. These are awesome. Again, this is also, this dress is 3/4 sleeve, and then this gives the layer. And here's yet another cardigan option to wear with this dress. It's red. I got it at some random place in New Hampshire a while ago. So I don't know the store, sorry. But get this kind of sweater anywhere. It just layer, adds to the fun of the outfit. Okay, so let's talk about sweaters. Everyone wears them in the winter, so what's really nice about sweaters is that you don't have to search high and low to find a Tzniut top. Like, this is from Forever 21. No, it's from H&M. So that's just really easy because you can just find sweaters anywhere. They're warm, they're usually good sleeve, good neck. So that's really nice. So I'm gonna show you a few of my favorite sweaters and how I pair them with a skirt. So as I mentioned, this sweater is from H&M. I think they also have it in red. It's really cute. And then I could wear this with a black skirt, but that's just like a lot of black. And I try not to wear that as much just because, one, I don't think that looks good on me. And two, I want more color. So this is a maroon skirt. It is from a place in Teaneck called Carly's Craze. It's a good store. It's actually pretty reasonably priced for a Tzniut store. So I recommend, if you're ever in Teaneck, to check it out. I really like that it's the maroon pop of color. This is like a little bit fancier for weekday, or it could be more like casual for Shabbat. Maybe like add a nice necklace to dress it up and like fancy shoes. You definitely could do that, but I really like this combo. So this top could also look really cute with this skirt. It looks kind of gray in the video, but it's actually green. I apologize for the wrinkles. I don't really know what happened. The skirt is from Israel. It's really nice summer skirt because it's midi, so I have to wear it pretty high just so it like looks kind of normal in the winter. Just because with tights, some things it's like if it's too long and like looks weird, you know. But this is really cute. I like this a lot. And again, I've been trying to do more of like the colorful skirt, the pattern skirt, and just stay away from black because black is too easy and I want to give myself a challenge. So we have officially reached black skirt territory, but I just want to say that not every black skirt is the same. So this one has like an elastic band. It's actually the same as the green skirt that I was just wearing. It's from the same place in Israel. It has more of elastic and it like kind of goes out. I don't know how to explain that better. So I just really like it with this sweater. It's from Lulu's. I actually went to a Rachel Ray show a year ago and she was giving out $100 Lulu's gift cards. So I got the shirt from there. It has like a cute like mock turtleneck. So yeah, this looks really nice with this kind of black skirt. I have other black skirts that are more, I don't know how to explain it, like less go out-y. I just think this one looks really nice with that. And let's just see more outfits with black skirts because really that's actually what I wear. So do you see the difference between this black skirt and the other one? It has an elastic waistband but didn't like cinch. I just like easier exercise in the skirt, but also really nice with this sweater. This sweater's from Forever 21. I've had it for years. It's like one of like the first like things I bought. I was like, hey, this is for my Tzniut wardrobe. I like it a lot. I wear it all the time. Like I said, I've had it for years. It literally never fails me. But this also looks good with a pencil skirt. This is also like a firm girl staple that needs to be in your closet. And you can wear it in the winter, in the summer, etc. I really, really like it. And it just like, it works with the shape of this. Like it looks fine with the flowy black skirt, but it also looks really nice with a pencil skirt. And it looks good with a flowy gray skirt. I did a photo shoot with my roommates and I didn't wear this shirt. Actually, one of my other roommates wore this shirt, but I wore this like burnt orange reddish shirt. It was my roommate's. It's from Kohl's with this skirt and it looked really good. I was like, wow, I should wear this more often. So now I want to get into Shabbat because over the winter it's kind of hard because you want to look cute, but then also it's freezing. Definitely, again, layers and good sweaters. And as I mentioned, what's on your legs because the skirt, it's not really going to keep you warm. So I will show you some Shabbat outfit ideas that I wear in the winter. Okay, first thing you need is a staple black sweater. I actually just bought this one. I have another one that I really like that I'll show you. It kind of has like interesting sleeves. I didn't know it would be like this when I got it, but I kind of like it. And then this skirt, it's really thin. Like it's really a summer skirt, just like has some black, so it works. You need to wear something actual on your legs because you'll freeze, but it's just really cute. And I really, really like repurposing things all year, basically something that I can wear all year round and just make it warmer or cooler. So it's really cute. It's kind of midi. It's a little bit big on me and I kind of rolled it up, but I really like it. It's from H&M. I got it this summer. So what's awesome about this outfit is I basically wear the same exact thing in the summer, just a different shirt. So I actually talked about this sweater from Zara in my summer video, and it has the 3 buttons. It's really classic. My mom has them in a bunch of colors and they look amazing. But this skirt is, again, light and kind of summery, but I pair it with a sweater and I pair it with tights and booties, and it's wintry. So again, that way you don't need like a specific summer wardrobe and a specific winter wardrobe. Some things can cross over, like this skirt. Obviously the sweater is not crossing over to summer, like it's a sweater, but I have a plain black shirt that basically fulfills the same purpose. So this is the only outfit I'm showing you with shoes, because I remember when I got this dress, I was really excited to wear it with these shoes. I showed this dress in my summer video, and I just wore that with sandals, but with tights and booties. This is totally a winter look, and it's also kind of thicker, so it's more like fall than summer. I love this dress. I've had it since August, and I've worn it a million times because it's so cute. So a really awesome hack to make your wardrobe from summer to winter friendly is you layering. But you're like, okay, yeah, Hannah, you said layering a million times. I'm wearing a shirt under this. I hate when you can see a shirt under a shirt. I think it just makes it look fromy. So this like blue shirt has a pretty low neckline, so you don't see it like peeping through the top shirt, because I don't want people to see my blue shirt. I just really like the shirt and it's very thin. You can do this with a lot of things. The undershirt is from Uniqlo, so A, it's really warm, and B, they sell shirts with low neckline. It doesn't look like I'm wearing a shell. And then I have like a really cute outfit in the winter, and I'm warm because I have a warm shirt under this thin shirt. Okay, now I have a lot of clothes to put away, but that's okay because making this was really fun, and I hope that this was helpful. If you have any winter tips, let me know in the comments. If you have found any wintry pieces that you really like, link them below. Maybe you'll help me out. Maybe you'll help someone else out. Have a great day.